Alrighty, Lewis, here's your 408 small block Ford. Your description is combination. Got a set of our ass cast heads, custom grind hydraulic roller. Got our front sump oil pan on it for you. I think you got your own manifold and stuff, so we got a Victor Jr. on here right now on our distributor. We're going to make a run, see if she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,300, 489 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 512, peak horsepower 584, good spot there. We rigged this at 450, that's with an air gap on it, so it's got a Victor Jr., so obviously it makes a little bit more power upstairs, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you, show you a couple other things. When you see your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card. It is full of technical information, engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. I would recommend plugging in and watching it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll also have a engine number right there. If you need anything from us, that's the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code, takes you more tech stuff. So have a great day.